Hi, this is your Ilongka Get Dressed With Me girly. And if you're new to my page, channel, or what, so my name is Maria Ella, and it's nice to meet you. So for today is I'm gonna go out again, and it's quite raining and it's very windy. So yes, let's start our Get Dressed With Me. So kahit na malamig yung weather for today, ay, mag-halter top po tayo, opo. So this is my blue side ribbed halter top. Hindi ko makuha. So again, I don't know how to pair this. So I asked ChatGPT. So wait lang, isuot muna natin. So this is the top kapag sinuot na siya. And this is the side. This is the back. So how is it? Simple lang naman siya na halter top. Nag-chat na ako kay ChatGPT and then I asked if I could pair my top with my washed baggy pants. And she said, yes, definitely, it will be perfect. But then again, it's raining and I don't want to mess this pants. So I asked ChatGPT if I can wear a shorts for today. And she said, she talaga. Nag-gender reveal. So ChatGPT said that, okay, much better since it is very, very, like, rainy. Rainy! So tara, tingnan natin. So this is the shorts that I'm telling about. So, yes! Ang ganda ng shorts na ito. Lalabas talaga kaluluwa mo dito. Yeah, this is it with the shorts. I know it's not super short. And I'm just gonna do that. And then, wait. It's cold. I know it's cold. You will tell me na, ay grabe naman siya, umuulan, bumabagyo, ganyan talaga yung outfit. Ay, magja-jacket po, magde-denim, ano po ako, jacket. Wait lang po, sandali lang. This is what I'm going to use as a layer sa aking outfit for today. Kasi nga, sobrang cold naman talaga. Hindi naman pwede na ganito lang tayo lumabas. So, gaganyanin ko siya dyan para may pa-effect. Sandali lang po. Mag-prepare lang po. ChatGPT said to wear silver accessories. That's why I'm going to use this one. My silver necklace again with my name. Oh, I should wear my pink heart since I'm going to wear my pink gazelle. So this is what I'm going to wear. This is my footwear. This is, yeah, Adidas pink gazelle, the platform one. So for the bags, I'm thinking about using these two, between these two. So this is the one with the black one. And this is with the blue one. I think I need to go with the black one because this is too much blue, a lot of blues. So for contrast, yes, and it's really more intentional if it's black. You in this place, you